Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and recover your Navy Federal Credit Union account on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and go to the search bar and search for Navy Federal Credit Union, just like that. Once you do that, it's going to go ahead and pop up right over here. Click on download and install this application and simply go ahead and open it. Now, in order for you to go ahead and recover your password, just tap on this sign in help right over here. And all you need to do is just tap on the first button which says recover username and password. Once you do that, all you need to do is go ahead and enter your card number or your account number right over here. Then simply go ahead and enter the date of birth on your account and simply enter your social security number and click on continue. Once you do that, they're going to send you a notification, or they will send you a code on your mobile device or the number that is signed in into this account. And then all you need to do is just enter that account number or the code that they will send you, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you